If you want people to read what you have to say, this simple copywriting Venn diagram will help. The copywriter's Venn diagram covers three things. The first oval is the most obvious. What do you want to tell people? We are all exceptional at this part of marketing. We know exactly what we want you to know. We want you to know all the reasons why you should buy from us. We want you to know how you can make that purchase. And we will shout that information at you from our emails, our videos, and our websites. But telling people what we want them to know will go nowhere if that doesn't overlap with what they want to know. If you have low conversion rates and high bounce rates, generally speaking a low uptake of your offer, you should start by asking yourself whether you've thought about what your audience wants to know and where that overlaps with what you want to tell them. The third overlap in your Venn diagram is with what your reader has time for right now. How often have you had someone turn up for a half-an-hour meeting with 60 minutes of slides in their PowerPoint? You can't tip a bucket of information into a thimble of willingness to listen. It's easy to focus on what you want to tell people, but if you also consider what they want to know and how much time they have, you'll see an immediate difference in your conversion rate. If you found this helpful, make sure you follow, subscribe, or connect for weekly tips.